I think it was the day before yesterday. We had a meeting. Yeah, it was on the day before yesterday. We had a meeting at Wat-Pa here in Thai monastery, and I saw a painting of the Buddha in front of me on the wall. And when I reflected on the Buddha, I had a kind of a feeling that the Buddha came down and actually stroked my head. And there were some sweets, and I had a very clear vision that the Buddha gave me a chocolate from amongst some candies. And so what this shows is that if you sincerely carry on with the practice, carry out your practice of the Dharma as the Buddha had taught, then the Buddha is always pleased and bless you. So I had that kind of epiphany of meeting, seeing the Buddha. And so if you really practice the Dharma, you really feel the taste of it, and the teaching becomes very alive within yourself. And then the great masters, like those of the 6 ornaments and 2 sublime masters, or the great masters of the extensive and profound lineages of the path to enlightenment. And so the Buddha himself went through the process of first generating or developing bodhicitta within himself, and then engaged in the practices of bodhisattva practices, and finally became enlightened. So bodhisattva practices include the
your